Your hand fits in mine like it's made just for me, but that is in mind, it was meant to be. And I'm joining up the dots with the freckles on your cheeks, and it all makes sense to me. I know you've never loved the crinkles by your breast when you smile. You've never loved your stomach or your face, the dimples in your back at the bottom of your spine, but I love them endlessly. I won't let these little things slip out of my mouth, but if I do, it's you, oh it's you, they add up to I'm in love with you. And all these little things, you can't go to bed without a cup of tea, and maybe that's the reason that you talk in your sleep. And all those conversations are the secrets that I keep, though it makes no sense to me. I know you've never loved the sound of your voice on tap. You never want to know how much you weigh. You still know the skis into your jeans, but you're perfect to me. I won't let these little things slip out of my mouth, but if it's you, it's you, it's you, they add up to I'm in love with you. And all these little things, you never love yourself half as much as I love you, and you never treat yourself right, darling, but I want you to. If I let you know I'm here for you, maybe you love yourself like I love you. Oh, now just let these little things slip out of my mouth, 'cause it's you, oh it's you, it's you, they add up to, and I'm in love with you. And all these little things, I won't let these little things slip out of my mouth, but if it's you, it's you, it's you, they add up to I'm in love with you. And all your little things